Bandang pensotho sigi pajba lingba ki jingpen inuksa ni experiment halor ke jichngan banyai ki kali pajba Surok ba National Highway 6 Heavy Boy katrat pulet riboy hakalai potelik urisau aja apusan kalapen isendan ki jingpen inuksa kumno dei banyai ki kali hakani ke Surok ba yagani ke jingpen inuksa nado ki kali he hado ki kali red la pelong ha umsning bypass ha ke jalam jong additional superintendent of police uba Orville Masar Hiar Biang lembat ki pulit ki bela penida ki nuksa ki truck driver berkumjuru ki driver ki kali red ki haban board ki kendon banyaj hakata ka rukom ka bedai banyaj
faster in the bit faster speed, so we feel very unsafe. The
like
movement is not
like
that
zigzag.
good. Yeah, in zigzag.
But if the trucks are moving on the left side, how you feel?
On the left side, if they keep moving slowly, then it's okay.
Yes,
That's okay. But they should not, keep stagnant and poop on the way. That is not
And
that
how
good.
about Dubai police? How they are working?
Shillong police, Nongpo police are doing great.
Tengok Hikai ni.
Hikai minta mutasi ni.
Dia ka kumba kusuduk minta ka Rukom Iaid kalau dia banyak nak alien ba kumno.
Itu bariat yang alien tu.
Dia. Maka speed
Speed saya itu kau
dia kai ka kubur price ni ba mungkin buram ba dia ba Rukom Iaid kali Surok ba. Semua no kita ong.
sebenarnya dia dalam itu deh.
Buram.
Banyak buram perkeliang itu. Berkiri itu.
Kumal pen kan mau kani ke jingpeteng ki pulit ban pen iru da ka kam ne ka nuksa ka dai shibanta banyak kon persya ki kali ki pen kenya ki an ha ka bajuan ja ki jingja ki basngosi bar kumbalong menta ki pulit ka riboy ki perking baha ban yai be yai renti ki kali paj ba bar kumjuru banum dan kanu ka jingpen thut ki kalit ka wan ki paj ba lingba kani ka Surok ba
so kali ni pada banyak di truck ni kena ka left makin suki kali ki ba paj ba biar banyak ni sudah right side kan कटा है
हाँ जी जरूर पता चला बहुत अच्छा लगा हमेशा ट्रक लेफ्ट साइड चलना चाहिए और जो भी स्पीड लिमिट 40 रख के चलना चाहिए इससे एक्सीडेंट कम होता है और रिव्यू पुलिस जो कर रहा है बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है
Abakran bekla pathai ko bor senior superintendent of police jong kari bhoyo vs rathor ulong makani ka jingpen long yakani ka jingpen inuksai ki driver banya ja ka Surok kade shibanta ban Hikai bakin duktip hakano ka banta ki haban ya khnang banummi ka jethu kho kali ka baju jana ka por
The state government has made it very clear they want to stop this VIP culture and we are very very serious about it. We have got strict instructions from the government and the police headquarters. That's why you might have seen in our recent checkings, we check each and every vehicle, irrespective of whether it's a VIP traveling in the vehicle or a poor person traveling in the vehicle. So any violation by these vehicles action will be taken against them as per law. And at the same time we are briefing our police drivers also, because normally when the VIP moves there is a police escort, pilot vehicles, so we are telling them to take a pledge, do not overtake any vehicle from wrong side, that is the left side. So if you have right of way, because if you are moving faster, you have the right to go through the right lane, so go, maybe blow horn if required, or night time use your headlights to indicate to the front driver to give way. And if they don't give way, then you persist. So while driving we need to be a bit patient. We see obviously on roads a lot of drivers, they are impatient, they cannot wait even for 2-3 seconds. So the ideal behavior is blow a horn, give an indication that you want to overtake, and wait for 3-4-5 seconds, see the front vehicle's reaction, and be persistent. So if this culture is imbibed over a period of time, the drivers will also know that the moment somebody gives a horn from behind, they have to step aside, move to the left lane, and let the vehicle which is asking for pass to move forward in the right lane. So even police drivers, we are telling them, do not overtake from wrong side. Use siren only if absolutely required. Do not use sirens near hospitals or schools, which disturbs children and patients. And siren, see, we are an emergency response force. Sometimes we can't help it. Sometimes we have to rush, respond in the nick of the time, because uh, if we reach early, we may save a life, we may save people from being a victim of a criminal offense. So sometimes we don't have a choice, we have to rush, but we'll try to avoid it as much as possible. But still, even if there is an emergency, it should not happen that while rushing to that place, we come do an accident on the way. That is absolutely avoidable, and we are briefing our drivers on a daily basis. All the OCs, ICs, police stations, outposts, they have been directed to personally brief all the drivers and personally ensure that they also follow all the traffic rules. At the same time, we have directed our police vehicles, whenever they travel for any case or any other duty, if they see any violation of traffic rules on the way, stop, brief the driver, don't do it. But still, if they are adamant, take a photo and issue each challan on the spot. So, doing one team checking at one place will not give us that much more results. But if 50 vehicles moving in the district for various duties, they stay alert and vigilant, I think the effectiveness will go much higher. Also, we are requesting people, when they see that traffic violations are being done, record a video, take a photograph, send us on WhatsApp. Our police control room numbers are given on our Facebook page. Use it, and we assure you that we'll take action.